预热一下锅。
预热是吧？
啊，预热一下锅，要不锅都烧烂了。
哦。
知道吧？我的意思是不给你滚着锅。
哦。You should preheat the furnace, preheat this crucible, so that the crucible can be used for a long time. So, did you find something? It's very hot now. So please remember, for the first furnace of melting, you need to heat for a longer time in order to protect your crucible. You can see the inside. The rod becomes white. Did you see that?
我意思是烧成这种样就可以了，因为这里头水不够。就是说加热是正常。你再过来。
就是说咱水压不够是吧？
这里头水太少了，只能试试机器。
Did you see that machine? This machine, there lies water in this machine, so this time we just preheat the rod instead of melting it, because the water there is lack. You can see this is a hydraulic system, and with a long line switch. And later we will connect this switch and that switch in a one control box, so that you can control the operation more easily and conveniently. You can see the temperature. Oh, sorry, it's not the temperature. Oh, it becomes red again. It shows that the machine and the furnace work very well. So let's stop here, because again the water is not enough to melt these rods. So when you melt the steel in your laboratory, you should make sure the water is enough. Okay, bye bye, have a nice day.